Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their TV audio to a speaker system? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off devices. Power off both your TV and Jensen JWM70A radio to ensure a safe setup. Step 2. Connect HDMI. Connect the TV's HDMI ARC port to the Jensen JWM70A HDMI ARC port using an HDMI cable. Step 3. Power on devices. Turn on both the TV and the Jensen JWM70A after establishing the HDMI connection. Step 4. Select HDMI ARC. Press the mode button on the Jensen JWM70A until it's set to HDMI ARC mode. Step 5. Verify audio output. Check that the TV audio is playing through the speakers connected to the JWM70A. By following these steps, your TV audio should now be playing through your Jensen JWM70A speakers. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Jensen users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.